Hello, this is Navr Studio and I'm here to show our works of personalized Bible form. So basically we use two types of leather. One is Pueblo and one is Crispe. And we have 6 types of design you can choose. And also we are specialized in engraving letters. It can be your name or words from the Bible. You can even choose the color to engrave. And as you see, there are many types of design and color. And especially, I want you to notice that there are no fixed place to engrave. So we usually suggest customer to give us a simple sketch, such as where to engrave and letters to engrave. That will make way more simple to make an order. Alright, so then let's move on to pictures so that I can explain one by one. This is Crispe leather color black and has engraved with black, which means we didn't use foil. So we have mentioned to customer that it might not seem clear using no foil at the Crispe leather, but anyhow the customer still want it, so we did it without using foil. And next one is a Pueblo khaki, and is a 2-button design, and we have used gold foil. And this is a band type with Pueblo Olmo color and engraved without a foil, which means black. And this one is a Pueblo navy, and this design is called buckle. And we have used a silver foil to engrave. Thanks for watching and listening to my full English. I should study and practice about speaking English. Anyhow, I'll put the link about our store and Instagram, so if you have any question, feel free to send a direct message. Thank you!